There you go.
Yeah, so this is setting up the electrical cord for the power outlet and power supply. All the supplies are inside. You're gonna need a screwdriver, a utility knife, electrical wire strippers, and tape, electrical tape. And cut down about 1 inch down from where it's cut. Slice the top layer off. Pull that off there. Cut any excess string and paper. So there's 3 wires. There's the power, which is typically the red. There's the receiving, which is the white, and then ground is blue. Just going to be connecting them to the outlet. On the front of the outlet, the metal part with the
Here, bring it up to the camera. Like put it like either in the, or go down. Yeah. And then which one's gonna go where?
So it explains on which wire goes. On the front of it, there's the names here. Then you use a Phillips head to unscrew a little bit. Don't take it completely out. Leave the screw in. For all 3. Ground. Now we're going to strip our wires. These wires here were 14 gauge, so you need a 14 gauge stripper. Twist the ends. And on the rounded part, you put in the wire. Make sure you have enough space to reach the ground and each part. So the ground will be the longest. So make sure that that has enough space to get in.
Oh, I see. Yeah, make it.
So these ones are shorter, so we'll cut them to length. So it's not a buildup of excess wire inside of there.
Yo, just wait. Bring that. Put it down so he can leave.
Yeah, I'll move my car.
And we'll bring it in.